Got Owen out here flexing for the ladies. Yo, leave a comment below and I'll DM you his phone number. Right, been a little while since we've been out here. Had some holdups on this job site, so you can remember had the patio areas going in here. I'm waiting on that pool over. And once the pool gets dug, we'll finish up all the beautifulness going around it. There's that nice water feature that we built last year.
Flashback.
So many days till I can see you again. Counting the days, so many days till I can see you again.
End of flashback.
So, you can see the line coming down here where the fence is going down to the boys over there. After a ton of setbacks, we finally got some progress happening over here. You remember, had that fence put in, just getting that in, that pond and a water feature over there. Last year, pools finally in the ground. Patio's gonna be going around there. We got some drainage situation shenanigans going on over there. Fence over there looks good. Water feature still looks amazing. Eric's doing a wonderful job on the maintenance. Oh, all the way into June, believe it or not, it's still raining like every day. It's unbelievable. Mud just was pouring this morning right before I got here. The most rain we've ever had
in 110 years.
Don't believe me? Read about it on Lancaster online. Let's go check out this muddy mess. Just a tad bit muddy. Pond's still looking beautiful though. All right.
Here's some video, Bobby. You haven't seen any video from me in a while, so apologize. Putting in some garden boxes.
Life's a garden, dig it.
Out of these bluestone treads. Wes likes to make it difficult on us. He wants to stand them up. 2 of them. Dried out a little bit. It was a bit muddy here yesterday. Starting to dry out a little bit, so.
Praise God, Betty.
And of course we have these real nice small treads that we have to move around. Thanks, Wes. All right, here you go, Bobby. You got a little stone in. Still got a bit to do here yet, but one of our garden boxes is in. Still got another one to do, but can't put it in just yet because it's cutting off our access, at least on this side. You want to wave, James? You want to wave to Bobby?
End of June, still raining just about every day. Another super muddy job site, but we still being productive, getting her done.
Get her done.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.